boys. Follow me. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna have my hand out because I got this milk crate, but this unit again, no heat, so we gotta figure this one out. Nothing's on. It's a salon, so we're gonna open this panels up one more time. You guys been here before. We're gonna troubleshoot this thing together. Like I said last time, remember it didn't have any codes, so we're gonna do that right now. All right, we're gonna open it up real quick, then we're gonna go downstairs, make sure it's calling for heat. All right, and then go from there. Got a little manometer. Oh, what is that? Manometer. Okay. Set my knee pads down. Whoa. All right, I got a mess going on right now. All right. All right, guys. So this is the unit. No heat, right? Usually doing my visuals, make sure nothing's out of order. You know what I'm saying? So this was just changed. This little spark. Make sure nothing's, everything looks good. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I don't see anything crazy. Do you? You see anything? No? Anyway, so we're gonna check for power real quick. Make sure we do indeed have power, and that's power coming in. That's the disconnect. Let's see if I've got power coming in. Yep, 240. Hold on. Oh, come on. This is the hardest thing. 240. And then right here. Just about the same. Good. Nothing on this side, obviously. Nothing on that side, obviously. Okay, cool. Make sure. Oh, you hear that? Whoa, woohoo! Now, why was that tripped? Well, that's not good. Didn't have any LEDs. This was tripped. I knew it was too. Let's see what's up. Huh. There goes our flames. Correct? Yeah, that's our flames. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. Now, why would you trip? Huh. It's interesting. Huh. Okay. Tripped. Low voltage, high voltage. Oh yeah, yay. Make sure nothing's touching or anything. Right? Wow. Oh, I opened this side too. Right. So we have that should go for now. Okay. Oh, we gotta figure. Okay. Well, we had a transformer that was tripped. So. Wow. Okay. Well, we gotta figure that out. So I'm just gonna start looking for any loose connections, any stripped wiring at this point, and see what I find. All right, guys. I guess I'll let you know what I find. All right. So stand by. All right, guys. So we found this transformer tripped. Correct. We reset. Just gonna start it. Right right now we're just checking my connections, checking my amp draw for my blower, right? Which let's go to the schematic here. Here's my blower, right? Heat. That's, you can't really see it, but that's the red wire. Red right here. Right there. Alright, so they one of these. Gotcha. It's 2 amps. Alright. I did it on this one too. He was fine too. He was 0.2. He's supposed to be at 0.5. But anyways, you know, things like this, you know, I'm gonna have to cut that back. Actually, I'll do that right now. Hold on. Anyways, so far I got nothing. So I'm gonna cut him off. Make it nice and secure somewhere. Be careful. Also, here in the back of the transformer, always want to make sure they're in the right tabs. In the back there, you see how it says 240 common and 208. Sometimes they'll put like the 240 and like the 208 and you get the wrong low voltage. So make sure you're always good on that. Other than that, you're just looking for anything stripped or anything loose, any wires touching or anything. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and inspect the thermostat. Make sure those wires are not, you know, stripped and damaged. Right, things like that. Yeah, so anything pinched, anything like that will cause it to trip, you know. So I'm gonna go downstairs, check that thermostat. I'm not too confident that thermostat is really old. I'm gonna show you. I might just replace it at this point. But anyways, yeah, guys. I mean, for now we're still running, you know. So we'll wait and see what happens. All right. Thank you for sticking by. Now let's go downstairs and check the thermostat if you want. Yeah, awesome. Sweet. All right, guys. So I'll open the panel for the blower. Right. I got this thing just flopping in the wind. So could he have, you know, got so close here and, you know, made our motor overamp or something? That could be the case. You know, you saw that thing was like right up in there. You know, this thing was right up on there. That could cause our blower to probably overamp. Just trying to, I don't know. So we're gonna have to tape him up and see what happens. Because other than that, I mean, pretty good right now. You know, we said it was what, 2 amps? That motor. Jesus. Combustion. Evap. Nah, never mind. I don't think I'm gonna find it here. It's just faded to hell. It's just faded to hell, so yeah. It's probably on the tag somewhere. Let's see. Okay. 5.5. Right in there. You can barely kind of make it out. I think it's 5.5. We're at 2, not too bad. It's around there. Okay, so I'm gonna show him off. Okay, get this fixed. This is crazy, and then go from there. It ran this whole time, so I don't understand what else could be the problem. You know, everything was amping correctly. Like I said, we'll just go downstairs and mess with that thermostat real quick, then come back with some silver tape and get that taped up and start it one more time and just watch it run, make sure everything's good. All right, awesome. Alright guys, like I said, this is the salon. Remember, they didn't have no gas last time I was here. So, anyways, the thermostat's back here. It was that old, shitty looking one. So I gotta open him up. Look at that. It's heat and TCP tools. Wait, hold on. Nope, it's mercury bulbs. See, this is like old dinosaur ancient stuff right here. Set for 70. Right, okay. And there's 60 in here. Right. Okay. Yeah, something like that. The bimetal disc or something like that. Anyways, we're gonna inspect these wires real quick. Make sure there's nothing wrong. There's nothing stripped. Nothing weird that's touching and making weird connections. So we'll check him up. All right, let me do that right now. Quick. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Huh. There's our wires. We got the R, RC, we have G, and W1. All right, anything looks suspicious? No, right? Everything looks pretty good to me too. Okay. We don't have to change it. You know, there's no need to change it. Swapped it out, you know, if it's working. All right, I'm pretty sure it was that panel and the insulation getting to the back of our blower there, the lead end of our blower, like making it hot or over amp. Pretty sure. So we're gonna go upstairs. We're done up down here. We're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna show you how to put all that insulation back with some silver tape, and then we should be all set here because this looks good. That's working. So no need to change it. All right, so let's go upstairs. Let's get this done. Let's get out of here. Let's go to our next call, hopefully. All right, let's do it. Boys, should work. Look at that, that's nice right there. That's beautiful. So let's put it in there. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna start it quick. Let's go ahead and start it and go from there. Cool. You guys put our panel back in. Unit just started. Okay. Right there. That just started. Now we're gonna wait for the blower to go and then go from there. All right. I'm gonna watch it run. It should be fine. If anything comes up, I'll record it for you. But other than that, I think we're pretty good. Pretty sure it was that. And then, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for rocking and rolling with me. I appreciate it. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the comment. I appreciate it always. Oh, that's not the hand. This is the hand. All right. This is another one that we kind of had to figure it out. All right. Always look and inspect everything. Thanks for rocking and rolling. All right, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go to my next call.